back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme here, and they sent me this beautiful, I think it's water wave, 24 inches, I think it is HD lace wig. But before we jump into the installation of the wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So like always, I show the box that it comes in, which is the purple box. Inside the box, they sent me some bonnets. I feel like I have like 30 of these bonnets right now. They sent some stocking cap. They sent the wig bag, so when I'm done wearing my wig, I could put it up safe without it being dried out or anything like that. They sent me some headband and some edge brush. So that is all they sent to me inside the package. Now let's just jump right into the installation of this wig so I can show you guys how I ended up getting this flip over type of free, easygoing, not too much effort, but effort type of style.
Yeah.
Work. To me, I feel work. See me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk a line. In the cafe, drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. You see me, I feel work. You see me do my dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, when the girl from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. Let work come over. Yeah. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You see me, I feel work. You see me do my dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, when the car from my church.
Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 wheels and it'll save you. Riding 100. Gotta roll OT, gotta give her release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to eat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock up in your sleep. I'ma roll on the forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in harmony.
Assalaxx. Close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimists, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Assalaxx.
All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I know how to play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Maybe you can give me something. Baby, if you had a time. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Love Me Here for sponsoring this video. The link to the wig will be down in the description box, and also whatever I use to like define the curls and all of that, and the link to the blow dryer that I use everything will be down in the description box. If you guys would love to purchase the wig or the products or the blow dryer, the links will be down below. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.